Have you been uploading videos but getting only a few views? Or are you wondering how to get monetized on YouTube? In this video, I'll show you practical strategies to grow your channel, increase your views, and work toward monetization. Let's begin. 1. Choose one niche 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. The first step is to choose one niche and stay consistent. If your channel is about YouTube growth, keep posting YouTube growth content. Consistency helps viewers and YouTube understand what your channel is about. 2. Create videos people search for 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Make videos that answer common questions, such as how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get monetized on YouTube, best YouTube SEO tips, how to get more views, solve real problems your audience has. 3. Make clickable thumbnails and titles 5 o'clock to 6:30. Your thumbnail and title are the first things people see. Use clear text, strong facial expressions if appropriate, and titles that create curiosity without being misleading. 4. Keep people watching 6:30 to 8:30. The first 15 seconds are critical. Start with a strong hook, avoid long introductions, and deliver value throughout the video. The longer viewers stay, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your content. 5. Use shorts to grow 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Post 2 to 3 shorts based on your long video. Use shorts to attract new viewers and invite them to watch your full video for more details. 6. What you need for monetization 10 o'clock to 12:30. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you must follow YouTube's policies and meet the current eligibility requirements available in YouTube Studio. Focus on creating original, valuable content instead of trying to find shortcuts. 7. Stay consistent 12:30 to 14 o'clock. Upload regularly. Learn from your analytics to see which videos keep viewers watching. Then make more content on those topics. Growth usually comes from consistent improvement over time. Outrow 14 o'clock to 15 o'clock. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments what you're struggling with on YouTube, and I'll make a video to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.